got the chain on. That one's poking down a little bit, but it's okay. I'd rather it be going down a little bit. It's not adding any stress to the chain. I went ahead and pre-lubricated the limit shaft with lithium-based grease, and as you can see, that chain is nice and straight. There's no power, so I had to check it out manually. And I'll go ahead and set the limits. Alright, so we're good there. So now I'll just put the antenna. I'm going to put the antenna out here actually on the stand. Kind of different, not kind of, it is different than the way I normally do it. I like to get it up high, but as I was saying on that other video, I don't want it, there's a lot of foot traffic, and I don't want it to get vandalized, because then they won't be able to get into the gate at all. So here's my direct burial wire. I've got it ready to go for the photo eye. And see how this thing looks closed. This is going to be a little tricky over here. As you can see, I've already prepared a piece of flat that I'm going to weld on the, it's hard to see the way the angle that I'm looking at, but I'm sitting down because I'm tired. So there's the gate frame, but on the other side of that is the latch post, and I'm going to weld it on the back side of the latch post, so that gives me about an inch clearance right there before it hits it, and I'll actually probably stop it before it hits it with the limits. So that's painted and ready to go. As you can see, I didn't paint this in because I got to weld it, and then I cleaned and painted as far enough out here as I would need. So I'll get that welded on there next. And it looks like that's going to be it for this job. I got to come back and test everything out once I get power, unless it's my electrician. If it's my electrician, I trust him enough to run the gate a couple times, make sure everything's rolling smooth. One thing that's good about these devices with battery backups is you can actually run it a couple of times with oh, I forgot I got my generator. So I'll temporarily wire power over there, and then I'll run everything. So when the electrician comes on, all he has to do is energize the circuit. And once it's energized, it'll work as normal. Programming and codes and all that stuff in there are in non-volatile flash memory, so it'll be in there if it loses power. So that's pretty much where we're at. Got about another 2 hours. It's 1:30 right now, another hot Texas day. But it turned out to be pretty dang clean looking installation. Once it gets power to it, we'll see how it runs.